Today we're going to announce the winner of the premium 3-way driver package giveaway and tell you about this month's giveaway going on now. The Parts Express Labor Day weekend sale is going on now. You can save up to 60% on selected items as we flash sale our way through till Tuesday, September 7th. So hurry up and snag a deal today. The Hybrid Tube Amplifiers from Dayton Audio are a beautiful addition to your home or office. Experience the best of the modern and vintage audio worlds with convenient connectivity options and the warm sound that tube amplifiers provide. These are highly recommended among customers with high-end taste, so save your money and pick up one of these gorgeous amplifiers today. The all-new 5 and 7-inch Epique Subwoofers are incredibly intriguing. If you think you know subwoofers, you'll want to check out the capabilities of these drivers. Take a closer look by following the link in the description of this video. These Epique Subwoofers are truly like no other. Last month's giveaway featured a premium 3-way driver package, all from our friends at Morel. That's over $700 worth of gear, and it now belongs to Heriberto S. from Chicago, Illinois. Congratulations, Heriberto. We'll be in touch soon. This month, our giveaway is offering 2 chances to win. Enter now to win one of 2 12-inch reference series high excursion subwoofers from Dayton Audio, each being a $265 value. Thanks, Dayton Audio, for the giveaway, and good luck to everyone who enters. We'll see you next month.